Hey guys, welcome to my channel Technologistan, and in this video I'm gonna give you the full review of Philips Hyperlite earphone. So let's get started. These are the earphones with me. You can see here. These are the earphones. I will divide this review in the pros and the cons. Let's talk about the pros first. Like its build quality. You are thinking it's very light earphone, but its build quality is good. Its wire is very good, very durable. It cannot be break. It's good wire. It can last long. And second thing, what I liked about this earphone is it has also a microphone enabled in it. Here it is, and there was no problem while talking to anyone, so it's good mic. And the biggest pro is sound. Its sound is very good. Its bass is not too punchy. Its balance, its treble is balanced. Like it has a balanced sound, not too treble, not too bass. Vocals are very good, and I give 10 number in clarity. Clarity is very good in this earphone. So these are the pros of this earphones, and there are some minimum cons. That is, after long usage there will be pain over there. It is made of plastic here, so there will be pain on there will be some pain after some time, but it depends on you. So if you guys like my video, like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.